Hi, my name's Katie. I'm a naturopath and the formulator of the NueBar range. At NueBar we produce a conditioning bar. Conditioners in a plastic bottle are about 90% water. So when you use the NueBar, make sure your hair's nice and wet to allow the product to go onto the hair. Simply smooth the product over wet hair and coat all areas to be conditioned. You'll feel a textural change on your hair when there's sufficient product in there, and simply use your fingers to move that all around the hair and make it nice and tangle free. Then leave it in for a few minutes before rinsing out. Our conditioner can also be used as a co-wash. This means that you simply wash with the conditioner only. A conditioner only wash will give a very gentle wash. It's useful to use in between shampoo washes so that you're not washing your hair as often, and it's great for people with curly hair. For very dry hair, if you want to give it a deeper conditioning treatment, simply leave the product in longer. You can leave it in for between 5 minutes, half an hour, or even overnight if you would wish, and then rinse out afterwards. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to check out our full range of hair, face and body bars at NueBar.com, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.